Community health nursing, national health programs and voluntary health agencies in India. National Malaria Control Program 1953, National Malaria Eradication Program 1958, Malaria Action Plan 1995. National Filaria Control Program 1955, National Tuberculosis Control Program 1962, Revised National Tuberculosis Control Program 1992. National Leprosy Control Program 1955, National Leprosy Eradication Program 1983, Trachoma Control Program 1963. National Program for Control of Blindness 1976, Expanded Program on Immunization launched in India 1978, 20-point Program 1975. Universal Immunization Program started in India 1985, National Family Planning Program 1951, National AIDS Control Program 1987. National Family Planning Program 1951, National Family Welfare Program 1977 and 78, Guinea Worm Eradication Program 1984. Integrated Child Development Service Scheme 1975, National AIDS Control Organization was established in year 1992. Balwadi Nutrition Program 1970, Special Nutrition Program 1970, Midday Meal Program 1961. Midday Meal Scheme 1995, National Program of Nutritional Support to Primary Education 1995. Applied Nutrition Program 1962, National Mental Health Program 1982. National Cancer Control Program 1975 and 76, National Goiter Control Program 1962. Iodine Deficiency Disorder Control Program 1992, Vitamin A Prophylaxis Program 1970. Integrated Disease Surveillance Project November 2004, National Rural Health Mission launched 5th April 2005. Janani Suraksha Yojana 2005, National Health Mission 2013, Mission Indradhanush 2014, Niti Aayog 2015. Indian Red Cross Society 1920, Hindu Kusht Nivaran Sangh 1950, Indian Council for Child Welfare 1952. Tuberculosis Association of India 1939, Bharat Sevak Samaj 1952, Central Social Welfare Board 1953, Kasturba Memorial Fund 1944, Family Planning Association of India 1949, All India Women's Conference 1926. Thank you.